Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create the shake, blur, and flash effect at once in CapCut. So first, just add the clips we want to edit. In this case, I'm using only 2 clips, but you can always have more. Then go to the video effect, opening and closing, and then select the vertical blur effect. Okay, this one. Click on a check icon, put it under the beginning of the second clip, and then adjust the blur into 100. Now copy the effect and then add another video effect. Now you can just add the shake effect under the nightclub category and adjust the speed and also the intensity to 7. Okay, put it under the vertical blur effects and now go to the overlay and then add a white image overlay under the stock videos. Okay, trim it and put it the same with the video effect. Like this. Okay, now you can just fit the size until it covers whole clips. Go to blend and select overlay. So next you need to click on the second clip and go to animations. Under in category, select this rock vertically animation. Okay, this one, and just click on a check icon and then go to the out animations and now select fade out. Okay, and do it like this. Click on a check icon and you are done. But if you have more than 2 clips, you can just repeat the steps that I've shown you. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.